Stand up. There you go. Good. Sit down. Stand up. Here at the Nerve Health Institute, and this is her first visit. She has a lot going on. She's had so many surgeries. I mean, too many to even say, but she has rods from here, literally from here all the way down to her mid-butt sacrum area, and she has fusions in her neck. So literally almost her entire spine outside of a few vertebrae here and here is fused. So her neck, this is all wasting of muscles through nerves. There should be a neck here. There should be a lot of muscles that are sticking out here that are working, that are powered, but they've all lost power. So one of the things we just did on this side, if you hold your neck here, you see that popping out right here? That wasn't doing that before. Relax. Let's do it again. See all that starting to pop out? These are nerves now powering these muscles again. She's starting to get her power back. And one of the things we noticed is she's able to bend her head back more. It was hard for her to hold her head up because these nerves weren't working. So we didn't do this side just yet, but we're gonna work on this side a little bit. So hold your head here. See, there's a little bit coming out, but it's not near the degree as the other side, okay? So you're gonna bend your head. Are you okay for balance? Mm-hmm. Okay, bend your head down and then back up. We're gonna see, as soon as I touch right here, you start getting weak. Okay, so watch. I'm gonna strengthen this up. You get a head straight for me. Hold your head here. Okay, bend your head down, please, ma'am. And then back up. Everything we're doing here is stimulating nerve function, power from your brain to your parts. So bend your head down, please, ma'am, and back up. Oh, got a little more coming out. I don't know if y'all noticed that. Okay, head down and back up. Okay, head down and back up. This is literally like a breaker box. Her range of motion improved a little bit. She's got stuff starting to come out a little bit better here. This trapezius is all wasted as well here. This one's a little stronger. This looks like it's coming out a little bit more. Can you raise your shoulder up, please, ma'am? Hold it and breathe. Hold your shoulder up. Grip my hand. This is only her second visit. She's never had anything like this. So just push your shoulder down, please, ma'am. Now push your tongue to the right side of your mouth and say la-las for us. Keep your grip. Okay, relax, relax. Okay, good there. Shoulder back up again. It's gonna go right up here. Shoulder up. Oh wow, this one just turned all on right here. All right here. That's the trapezius. This is innervated by cranial nerve 11. This one just got a lot more muscle mass here. Put it back down. See that strand? Mm-hmm. It should be this one, shoulder up here. See how it's all together on the side of the neck? You can't see from there, but this side just has this one strand. It should be all working, but it's wasted on the side. A lot of the power from the nervous system is not there. So, how do you feel right now? Does anything feel different? Just be honest, it's okay. You've been this way for so long.
Yeah.
Does your head feel any lighter?
Yeah, my head feels light.
Like you're not straining to hold it up as much?
Right, exactly.
Fantastic. That's a good thing. You know what that means? The nerves are powering your muscles to hold your head up better.
Yeah.
You only had a couple doing it.
Yeah, my head can stand up easier. More range.
Good. And this is just from a few minutes. I mean, imagine being around us for a longer period. It's so easy. We're just like rebooting you. Did you feel that breath? Mm-hmm. That was a better breath. It's still not a normal one. The nerves here, you have 3 pair of nerves here in the midsection of your neck. They go to your diaphragm. Mm-hmm. Kind of interesting. So when this is so weak here, the nerves here that they go to your diaphragm also go to a lot of the muscles around your neck. Mm-hmm. When they're weak here, you can't breathe. That's our number 1 nutrient is oxygen, right? So repairing this sort of stuff, getting it better, allows all this to happen. And it's going to be a good bit of a road for her, but we're going to work through all these things, teach her a lot of fun stuff to do at home, and we'll have some new things with her as well that'll help. So getting the C4 nerve here, it powers up this. If you look on my neck, See this big muscle that sticks out here?
Mm-hmm.
It's called a sternocleidomastoid. You see it on either side?
Mm-hmm.
She doesn't have any at all, but I can still feel, we're gonna stimulate it here and see if we can get it to come back. Turn more. There you go.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
You saw it come
wasn't
back?
there earlier.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
That's her sternocleidomastoid coming back. It's been off. It's like a switch in the breaker box, just literally being turned off that we're gonna turn back on. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, look at that.
Yep.
That's awesome.
Turn your head here. That one's coming back too. You see it?
Yeah.
Turn.
It's even thicker than it was earlier.
Turn more. We're gonna make it even thicker. Watch. So much of what we're doing is just stimulating the nerves. That's all. Okay, relax. Now get her where you can see. Turn. Now just on your own turn. See it?
Mm-hmm.
That wasn't even there at all.
Exactly.
Turn here. Look at that. Isn't that cool?
Wow.
So this same nerve, remember, also goes to your diaphragm. So watch. Turn your head. Turn your head this way. Turn that way. We're gonna use your hand. Is your hand hurt here if you grip mine? Yes? No. Turn your head. Come touch your diaphragm, Hallie. Now breathe. We're just gonna ground your diaphragm. Look what happens. Isn't that cool?
Mm.
So we use a strong nerve here. We turned on the nerve that goes to the muscle that turns your neck that way. That same nerve is C4 that also goes to your diaphragm. So Hallie grounded over your diaphragm and it's weak. Turn your head this way. Now touch your diaphragm. Breathe. You hold your breath. Look, see it gets weak when you breathe. Isn't that cool? So we're gonna put a bunch of power into your diaphragm. All these nerves are fiber optic. They need light. So we're gonna put a bunch of power here. It's really fascinating. Okay, keep your head turned and
Look at
breathe.
that muscle there.
Much better,
Oh
SCM.
my gosh, bigger than my thumbnail.
Yeah, much better.
Let me know if this
All
gets
of it's
warm.
coming back.
Let me know if this gets warm.
I need you to do a belly breath, okay? You can do it, and that's more chest.
Blow your belly.
Yeah, through your belly. Nope, that's more chest. We want you here. Breathe through here. That's better. A lot of people forget, like the nervous system gets so weak to the diaphragm that they forget how to do diaphragmatic breathing. That's more chest. Not big deep breaths, just nice and calm. Turn your head this way. Good, good. Much better, SCM. Okay, do you feel warm there? We're putting light into the diaphragm for power. Take it off. Okay, same test. Turn your head. Much better, SCM. Can you touch the diaphragm for us, Hallie? Keep your grip here, please, ma'am. And breathe. Very cool. You see how strong you were? Now let's do the other side. Turn that way. Just your head, just your head. Yep. Ooh, this one's trying to go back. Oh, there it goes. It was trying to go back to sleep on us. Grip tight here. Turn. See how trying to activate again. Touch the diaphragm. Breathe. Good. This one's better. Touch more liver on this one. More liver. Pretty good. Okay, that one didn't break. Okay, she's kind of tapped out. So, okay. What about here? Mark it. Okay. How's the hand? What you got? It's good. Is that good or bad? A little bit of both? Huh?
It's okay.
Yeah. How's your hands? How much?
A little bit more, 5.
Okay. Does that feel good? Or yeah. About there. Does it alleviate some of your pain? Hurts. What are you now? Still coaxing, trying to get your nervous system back. You should be able to just put a little bit of pressure here and not hurt at all, but he's slowly getting to where we have to stimulate it back, so I'm so sorry. I know it hurts. I'm trying not to hurt, but at the same time, you have to get stronger to pressure. If you stay weak to pressure, it's going to just be major problems. All right, so today, Miss Chris just came back from Shreveport, and she's suffering with some pain in her left hip. So we're doing some work to get it to come back, or go away, as you say. So when you came in, how bad? A scale of 10? On a scale of 10, how bad was it?
I guess about 4, 5, and
Okay.
mostly, you know, when I have been prolonged sitting.
That's it? That's it right there?
That's it. That's
Okay.
it.
Okay, so we're going to do some vibration over it real quick and take that energy device. Okay, I'm sorry. Stand up. I'm going to be a little tender here. Okay, good. Sit down. Stand up. There you go. Good. Sit down. Stand up. Good. Sit down. Awesome. Stand up. Okay. A lot of our care here is very active, pinpoint specific, getting into the brain, finding where it's disconnected, and restoring power back to parts. And that gets rid of people's aches or pains really fast. Stand up for us. How's that feel?
Much better. Much better.
Okay. So what did it go down to, you think?
Oh, half.
So 2? You said it was a 4? Okay.
Yeah.
That's it.
That was it.
Yes, ma'am, I got it. You feel that little, just watch a little bitty,
Not.
yeah, it's not, it's, there are little cysts that get in these areas, and that we have to give recognition to the brain. There you go. Okay. This is a powerful light we're going to use here. Body gets low in energy, so we're just putting energy back in. It's really interesting. Any little virus you ever get in your life, your body will, hopefully, should fight it off. And it may be like when you get the flu and you ache all over, that's a virus spreading through your body, right? So when you get rid of it, it should go to nothing aching anywhere. But sometimes what happens is that virus will stay in a cell in your body, in like a small little ant pile. And at any time in your life where you get a weakness in that area that it's in, it can start to try to spread again, and it will cause aching like she experiences. So we have to get in here, get all the pressure restored back to this area through the nervous system, and calm these things down to where they can't do any kind of damage and make their life a lot easier. And then we teach people what to do at home to help garner this stuff to where it doesn't cause any problems for you in the future. Is that warm? Stand up again. How was that?
Good.
Anything at all?
No, I really can't.
Squat down. How far can you? Is that as far as you can go?
As far as I can go.
Now, where does that hurt you?
They just won't go any further.
Did you hurt anywhere when you do that?
No, it just doesn't.
Try again.
It just doesn't go any further.
Okay. So sit again. We got a couple different things. Why don't you scoot forward? More. Yep. You got flexibility. Yeah, that's flexibility there. Just lost power. Yeah, I'm sorry. Yeah. Try to get some of the power back. Reconnect to this right. Okay.
Oh!
I know. Stand up for me. Separate your feet a little bit. Okay, now we're going to go squat. As far as you can go.
That's as far as I can go.
Try again. Squat again. Squat again. Yes, ma'am. Okay, come back up. Okay, sit again. Just sit. Reconnecting her brain back to her muscles in her knees and legs. Okay, here, stand back up, squat down again.
It's a little further for
Yes,
sure.
it is. Come back down a little bit. Do you feel more secure there?
Yes, yes.
Good. Okay, come back up. Okay. So you can imagine that's not good. We want people to be able to squat. I'm 50, almost 51, and I mean I'm down all day on my knees, bending full speed all day. So we want people to do that for as long as they can. Otherwise, they'll just on the medical side want to cut out your knees and give you a new one or hips, and we want to try to do our best to prevent all that. Pretty cool.
Yes.
A lot better.
Okay, okay.